Hey guys, Brittany here for Tech Tip Tuesday, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your Google Discover feed. So the first thing I want to do is find my Google Discover app, which is right here. It looks kind of like a Chrome app maybe because it's the same logo, but it is actually a separate app. If you're not familiar with Google Discover, you should check out our blog from this week, which is all about how to use Google Discover in your marketing. I'll include a link down in the video description. So this is a customized feed based on your interests, and you can adjust it by using the settings in the app. So I'm going to come here to the 20 most affectionate small dog breeds. Obviously, that is something I need more of. So I'm going to come to my little controls right underneath the image, and I'm going to tell Google what I want it to do. So if I'm not interested in the story, I can tap that and I'll see fewer stories like that. It gets a little more specific in that next suggestion, not interested in dog breed. That means that I won't only see fewer articles like this one, but fewer articles in general on that topic. The next, don't show news stories from that specific source. And this is really great if you want to curate your news feed like political and global and US news. You can also come here to manage interests, and what this does is it gives you a list of interests based on your past search activity, and you can come in and tap or untap to tell Google you are still interested in that or you're not interested in that anymore. And that's how you can adjust your Google Discover feed. Thanks for watching today's tech tip. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give us a like, share it with someone who would also enjoy it, and subscribe for more great tech tips every week from TrackSoft.